Hello, my name is Kyle Havrilesko, and this is a podcast for Mr. George Stewart's Fundamentals of Physics class at Full Sail University, Section 1. The project I chose was the aircraft project, which is basically making a hovercraft to demonstrate how motion is affected by friction and to show the effects of air pressure being put to better use. So we're going to make a hovercraft that basically creates a frictionless environment for this thing to float on. Friction is the opposing force being applied to an object. We will need either a piece of cardboard or a CD from a band that you don't like, or that you go to a concert and see and freaking hate and get the demo. You will also need a balloon like this, stretchy and something with a tight grip on it, a pen for stabbing, a bottle top, square bottle top, so you can let the air through. Or you can use a thread spool with a hole in the middle of it. You're going to need glue. I got a glue gun, best glue you can find. You will also need a notepad, a ruler, and lungs. Hopefully you have lungs. That'd be nice. Now this thing is glued on there, like this. I would show you the back end of it, but I want you to see what the band is, and I don't want to get sued. So, now that this is constructed, all we need to do is inflate the balloon, twist it up, and then apply it to the bottle cap. Make sure that the bottle cap is closed so that you don't let any air out. Do another one. Twist it up, like that, so you hold on to it. And then wrap it around the bottle top so that it'll stay. And make sure you get a bottle top with a lip on it so that it'll hold the balloon on there. See, now that the bottle top's closed, the air is not going through it. But I can open it just enough to let a little bit of air in. And that is the construction of our hovercraft. Very nice. Okay, as you can see, this thing has no air going through right now because the cap is closed. And there's friction on the desk because of the texture of the desk. But when I release the air pressure, like this, there's air flowing through it like an air hockey table. And look, it just wants to move by its own because there's no friction in between it and the desk. Okay, the reason this thing is frictionless is because all the air that is compressed inside of this balloon, the only way it can get out, because it wants to get out, is through the bottle top, and the only opening in the bottle top is underneath the CD. Well, when the CD is pressed up against the table, all the air goes out the sides of it, making a thin layer of air, removing it from the surface, making it practically frictionless and floating. Well, that's probably the most entertaining thing this band has been a part of. So that is the effect of a frictionless environment due to the concentrated air pressure streaming through a small area spread into a thin layer separating the disc from the desk. And that is my podcast.